Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out a super useful accessory for Tesla owners, the sunshades for Tesla Model 3 Highland 2025 and Model Y 2020 to 2025. And the best part? It's currently on a huge discount. Now only $8 US dollars and 48 cents, down from $19.53. That's 57% off. Click the link in the description below to buy. So let's jump right into what makes this sunshade setup such a great upgrade for your Tesla. Unlike most bulky double-layer sunshades on the market, this one combines everything into one intelligent 2-in-1 layer. You've got a nano-coated silver front side that reflects harsh UV rays and a high-density backside that blocks out the sunlight, giving you maximum shade without blocking your rear visibility. The 2023 upgraded design reduces interior heat by blocking 2/3 of solar thermal load. That means when you get back into your car, you won't feel that oven-like heat. Your cabin stays cooler and more comfortable. Installation takes around 10 minutes. Just clip it into place using the included visor clips. No tools, no hassle. And when you're not using it, the shade collapses instantly and fits right back into the included zippered storage pouch. Super convenient. This sunshade is built to last. The frame uses alloy manganese steel, so it holds its shape and won't deform easily. The shade itself uses 6 layers of composite material, providing great UV and heat protection, all while keeping your Tesla's clean, minimalist look untouched. In the box, you get 2 glass roof visors, 10 sun visor clips, and 1 zippered storage pouch. If you're looking for a simple, affordable upgrade to improve comfort in your Tesla, this sunshade is definitely worth grabbing. Click the link in the description below to buy. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome tech and accessory reviews.